Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome week as always. If you don't know me, my name is Cora. I upload every Sunday, so make sure you subscribe to see when I upload. A year ago, I uploaded a video called How I Cleared My Acne Scars. I used to have bad acne, took Accutane, it cleared it. Then I was left with acne scars and hyperpigmentation, so I was really looking for a way to clear that away, which is when I found Banish. So about a year ago, when I tried their products, it completely cleared all of my hyperpigmentation and acne scars away. But a lot of you guys didn't love that video because I didn't show how I use the products. And that's because I was still really self-conscious of my skin. I always wore makeup on camera. I just couldn't bear the thought of being makeup free on camera. And I thought it was time, now that I am confident enough to show you guys my naked skin, how I use my Banish Acne Scars products. The products are completely natural and freshly made. They ship out of the US. Banish was also started by a YouTuber named Daisy. I'm gonna link her channel below. And that was something that really intrigued me to want to try them. There is a sneaky giveaway in this video, so make sure you watch to the end if you want to win a Banish Acne Scars kit. And without further ado, let's get into my routine. To get started, I have a completely clean face and clean hands. I went ahead and washed both beforehand. I do have a little bit of mascara and tinted lip balm on because I know some of you guys are private investigators, but that's it. Anything that the Banisher is going to touch is completely sterile. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my Banisher. If you've never seen one of these guys before, they roll along the skin and has little needles on it. What these needles are going to do is create tiny little puncture wounds in your skin. As you're going to see, my skin is going to get very, very red using this because my skin is trying to rush and heal itself, while at the same time, these puncture wounds are going to help products seep in even deeper. So the products I use after the Banisher are also really essential. They're going to help get rid of those acne scars even more by seeping really deeply into the skin. Before I get started, this is completely sterile. It's really important before and after you use your Banisher to clean it very thoroughly with rubbing alcohol. Banisher comes with this little kit, which is great for that, so you can just store it in and you're good. So what I'm going to do now that this is completely sterile and dry is I am going to pull my skin taut, and I am going to start by going up and down. To go over it a few times just to make sure I got every little corner of my face. You guys might be able to see my skin is getting really red, but that's what you want. The blood is rushing to the surface of my skin. So now I've done up and down, side to side. I'm going to go diagonally. So as you can see, this side is very red next to my other cheek. Now this side actually has some active acne on it, and I know a lot of times when you have acne scars, you still have acne like I do. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do for this side. Now if you have active acne, you do not want to be rolling on it because you're going to be spreading bacteria. This side I was good, this side not so much. So I'm gonna be taking the Banish stamp, and this is the same idea, but it is a stamp of needles rather than a roller ball. So for instance, I have a lot of acne scars around here, but I have some active acne, like there's a pimple right there. What I'm gonna do is just stamp the area, and it is kind of the same idea as the roller ball, except you're not rolling. You're able to get really precise on where you place it. But as you can see, this area is getting just as red as this area, so it's doing the same thing. I am going to do my whole face using the Banisher, except for those acneic spots, of course. I know some of you guys are gonna wanna see this, so I'm just going to do this fast forwarded, not talking, so you guys can kind of get an idea of how I use this on my entire face. So I just finished rolling my face, and as you guys can see, it looks like I have a very bad sunburn. So to calm my skin down, I'm gonna use the Banish Pore Smasher. This has been sitting in my freezer for 30 minutes and it's metal and it just feels really soothing and cooling to the touch. It's just roll out my face and kind of just ice it out and soothe it down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Banish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. This is a really beautiful brightening toner. So I am just going to shake it up. It has sort of a minty smell and it's just amazing and so refreshing. Now I'm gonna go in with my Banish oil, which is going to even out my skin tone, and my Banish Vitamin C cream, which is going to brighten it and keep it moisturized. What I like to do with these two is take a little bit of the vitamin C cream. Then I like to take about 2 or 3 drops of the serum, them together on the back of my hand. I am just going to pat these into my skin. And with that, you know, my skin is still a little bit red, but I would usually go to sleep at this point and wake up and my skin is a lot more bright and even. Now, if my skin is feeling extra dull, we'll go in with the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is really going to help with cell turnover. It's going to help exfoliate your skin and it's going to help even further clear your acne scars. I like to use this once a week in conjunction with the activated charcoal clay mask. This is a powder mask that you add water to. Now I like to add apple cider vinegar and a drop or 2 of tea tree oil, and this is a dream come true if you have blackheads or acne and just need to clear those up. Now if you guys have made it this far, I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. I'm gonna be giving away a Banish acne kit because I love these products so much and I really want you guys to experience how great they are. But if you enter, you're going to be winning the Banish kit, the charcoal mask, and the pumpkin enzyme mask. All the details for how to enter this giveaway are in the description box below, so please read that, and it is open internationally. So yay to all my friends all over the world. I wanted to thank Banish Acne Scars for working with me on this video and for helping to clear up my skin, and I know so many other people's skin. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday.